Hey everyone, the Beelink SER8 Pro Mini PC is a powerful and compact computing solution that caters to both productivity and entertainment needs. Powered by the Ryzen 7 8845HS processor, this mini PC delivers impressive performance with its 8-core, 16-thread architecture. The inclusion of Radeon 780M integrated graphics ensures smooth gaming, video rendering, and AI-enhanced tasks, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of users. One of the standout features of the SER8 Pro is its 32 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM. Storage options are equally impressive, with two PCIe 4.0 by 4 M.2 slots that support expansion up to 8 terabytes, providing ample space for large files, games, and software. Thermal management is a key highlight of the SER8 Pro, thanks to its advanced MSC 2.0 heat management technology. The mini PC features a specialized SSD heatsink, a vapor chamber heat spreader, and a silent fan, all working together to maintain optimal temperatures and ensure consistent 65-watt performance without excessive noise. The SER8 Pro also incorporates AI-powered enhancements, including an integrated AI processor with 16 TOPS NPU capabilities. This enables advanced AI-driven features, such as voice recognition, supported by an integrated microphone with DSP processing for clear and accurate voice interactions. Connectivity options on the SER8 Pro are extensive, making it a highly versatile device. It includes multiple USB ports, such as USB 2.0 and USB 3.2, as well as a USB 4 port with Thunderbolt 3 and DisplayPort 1.4 support. For display connectivity, it features a full-size HDMI 2.1 port capable of 4K output at 120 Hz and a DisplayPort 1.4 output, enabling triple display setups for enhanced productivity. Wireless connectivity is also well covered, with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 ensuring fast and reliable connections. A 2.5 gigabytes per second Ethernet port further enhances networking capabilities for users who require wired connections. The design of the SER8 Pro is both sleek and functional, with a premium metal chassis available in frost silver and space gray finishes. Its compact dimensions of 135 by 135 by 44.7 millimeters make it an ideal fit for any workspace, blending seamlessly into modern setups. The inclusion of both front and rear 3.5 millimeter audio ports adds to its convenience, allowing for flexible audio configurations. In summary, the Beelink SER8 Pro Mini PC is a well-rounded device that excels in performance, connectivity, and design. Its powerful Ryzen 7 8845HS processor, combined with advanced cooling and AI capabilities, makes it a strong contender for users seeking a compact yet capable PC. Whether for gaming, content creation, or professional workflows, the SER8 Pro delivers a premium experience in a small form factor. Meanwhile, the recent release of the GMK K10 Mini PC, with its support for 8K displays and up to 96 gigs of RAM, highlights the growing competition in the mini PC market, offering users even more options to consider. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your thoughts in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.